going to be doing is you're going to be joining me in packing to Italy. So I'm going to Italy in a few days. I've basically left it till the last minute, and so what I'm going to be doing is just bring you along with me packing, and that's basically it. So we're going Italy Tuesday. Right now it's Sunday, the evening, and so I only have, like, I'd say 24 hours left to pack. I guess that's alright, but then again, like, it's the end of Sunday, I've left it till the end. But then again, packing only takes like 2 hours or something, so it should be fine. So all I need to get is my suitcase and everything I need, and you will be joining me. So out of all my clothes, it just includes this drawer, and this drawer full of just random tops and trousers, and then we go on to my cupboard where it's got my nice outfits which I usually go for when I go out somewhere, whether it's shops. And then last but not least, this is the cupboard which I have all my dresses for special occasions or when we go to church, and it's not much in there, it's only like half the top, and so that is just all the clothes which I have. Okay, so like I said in that little clip, I don't wear much, well, I don't think I have much clothes for, you know, because earlier today we went to church, and there are people at church, they're African, and they have 2 daughters. One is like 5, the other one's like 1, and every single Sunday you see them wearing a new dress. So they must have a massive closet, because like a new dress every Sunday, that's a lot of clothes, and that's just dresses. So let me just pick out something from here. I'm definitely, my voice is going, definitely gonna need loads of shorts and tops because I'm gonna get really hot there. So let me just quickly get those things and be back with you. Okay, so I'm currently in my mum and dad's room. This is the closet which my sister and I shares, because they've got like the rest of those. And so up, well, this half is just all my clothes, and the one which I'm definitely going to be needing is this dress, because this is what I'm going to be wearing for the wedding we're going to be going to. And summer clothes, I actually don't like wearing dresses, so I might take that one, but then again, we're going to Italy, and this one you need like a vest top underneath, so I don't want that. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to take the one dress and, you know, go with my everyday style of wearing shorts and a top, because that's just me. I'm wearing a dress now only because we went to church, and that is basically the only time I wear dresses. Also for a special occasion. So, back to our room. guys, so I have written down the list. It's right here. What it says is stuff for holiday: swim costume, goggles, dressing, PJs, flip-flop, trainers, socks, glasses, books, teddy, toothbrush, earphones, and CD player. So I'm gonna, well, I have to look for all those things and then I'm gonna pack it in. And so let me quickly go look for them right now. So here is most of the things. Okay, so we got this now, that's what I call old school. But inside it actually has one Michael Jackson, one old school, and one Shaggy. Who doesn't love a bit of Shaggy and MJ? And then over here, the books which I'm going to take is Michael Morpurgo, Dear Ollie. And then this was from my cousin, Murder Most Unladylike. So I'm probably going to read that because I'm not sure what that's about. Got the CD player here. I've got my goggles there, some socks there. This is my sketchbook. What I'm going to try and do is do some pictures for my stories. This is what I've not long finished drawing. Spider-Man's in the back, how I love him. And then Captain Marvel. Well, it's not Captain Marvel, but the Skrull, I'm sure he's called. And just a few other characters. Got my diary, so that I can finish writing something I need to finish. Got my dress. This is not the teddy I'm talking about. That's just one other small. And this is a glasses case for the glasses that I'm currently wearing. And I've got a few more clothes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all these in, and that's pretty much it for all I have to pack. The room behind me is a bit of a mess. Monty is just walking into the room, so I'm going to end it here. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time on Our Lives as Polla&Tega.